I'm Miss Kristin, and this week for Pajama Storytime, we are reading books about the moon. So our first book that we read is this one, Many Moons by Remy Cordian. And it is all about the different phases of the moon, and it has many illustrations that connect the different phases of the moon with things that we see every day, like a cat's tail. Our second book that we read is Kitten's First Full Moon, and this is by Kevin Hinks, and it is a story about a little kitten that sees a full bowl of milk in the sky. So the kitten goes on an adventure trying to find this full bowl of milk. If you would like to read these, you can check them out at the library. And for our craft today, all you will need is your craft packet, some scissors, and some glue. So in your craft packet, you will have some silver paint and a paintbrush and this little piece here. You will also have a white sheet of paper with a large circle on it and a black sheet of paper. So the first thing we're going to do is open our paint. And you can use your paintbrush to get some paint out. And we're actually going to put the paint onto this right here. And this is going to function as a stamp, and we are going to stamp paint the moons on our paper with this foil. All right, so I'm putting paint all over this, and then I'm just going to start stamping it on my paper. And as you get the paint on your paper, then you can add more onto your little stamp, and it will make little designs like the bumpy surface of the moon. So we'll just keep adding more paint to your stamp and stamp your paper all on the inside of this circle. Once you have your moon stamped as much as you want, then we are going to cut out your moon and glue it onto the black paper. So here's my moon, and now I'm just going to glue it into the center of my paper here. I'm going to use a glue stick, but you can use school glue or another kind of glue if you want to. And I'm just going to put the glue on the paper about where I know my moon is going to go, because it's not all the way dry. If it is all the way dry, you can turn it over and glue the back of the moon. And now I'm just going to gently press it down. There's my moon on my page. Now, if you would like to, you can go ahead and use any extra paint to just put some dots on there to make some stars in the background. And here is my finished picture. I would love to see your completed projects down in the comments if you want to share a picture of your moon and if you decided to put stars in your sky or not. I would love to see them. So feel free to do that. If not, that's okay. If you would like to come to this program in person, just register at the link in the description of the video. We do meet in the children's room on Thursday evenings at 6:30. And craft packets can be picked up at the library by coming into the children's room and going to the children's desk, or you can call from the parking lot for curbside pickup. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next Thursday at 6:30. Bye.